Welcome to your channel. Welcome to Unique Mania. We share our homes with many tiny creatures we cannot see. Dust mites are one of them. Dust mites are microscopic creatures that thrive in warm, humid environments. They are related to spiders and ticks, and they feed on dead skin cells shed by humans and pets. While they are invisible to the naked eye, their impact on our health, particularly for allergy sufferers, is far from insignificant. Dust mites are found in every home, regardless of how clean it is. They are particularly fond of bedding, carpets, upholstered furniture, and stuffed toys, essentially anywhere that collects dust and provides a source of food. While they themselves don't bite or spread diseases, their droppings and body fragments contain potent allergens that can wreak havoc on our respiratory systems. Dust mites are a major trigger for indoor allergies. When we inhale these allergens, our immune systems overreact, mistaking them as harmful invaders. This triggers a cascade of reactions, leading to a range of uncomfortable and often debilitating symptoms. Common allergy symptoms caused by dust mites include sneezing, runny nose, itchy or watery eyes, nasal congestion, coughing, and skin rashes. For those with asthma, exposure to dust mite allergens can be particularly troublesome. It can trigger asthma attacks, characterized by wheezing, shortness of breath, and chest tightness. Living with dust mite allergies can significantly impact quality of life, leading to sleep disturbances, difficulty concentrating, and reduced productivity. Fortunately, there are effective strategies to combat dust mites and minimize their impact on our health. Reducing dust mite populations requires a multifaceted approach that targets their breeding grounds and limits their food sources. By implementing these measures, you can create a healthier and more comfortable home environment. The first line of defense is maintaining a clean home. Regular cleaning is crucial in the fight against dust mites. Vacuuming with a HEPA filter vacuum cleaner is essential, as it traps even the smallest dust mite particles. Pay special attention to carpets, rugs, and upholstered furniture, where dust mites tend to congregate. Washing bedding in hot water at least once a week is also vital. The high temperature kills dust mites and removes their allergens. Additionally, using allergen-proof covers on mattresses, pillows, and duvets creates a barrier, preventing dust mites from inhabiting these items. Section 4. Beyond the basics. Additional tips for a dust mite-free home. In addition to regular cleaning, controlling humidity levels is essential in deterring dust mite growth. Aim to keep indoor humidity below 50%, as dust mites thrive in humid environments. Using a dehumidifier or ensuring adequate ventilation can help regulate humidity. Freezing soft toys can also kill dust mites. Place the toys in a plastic bag and freeze them for 24 hours to effectively eliminate these microscopic culprits. Consider minimizing clutter, as dust mites love to hide in cluttered areas. Opt for hard flooring instead of wall-to-wall carpeting whenever possible, as carpets can harbor a significant amount of dust mites. If you have curtains, wash them frequently or consider switching to blinds, which are easier to clean and less likely to collect dust. Section 5. Breathe easy. The rewards of a clean and healthy home. Creating a dust-free home offers numerous health benefits, especially for allergy sufferers. Reducing dust mite populations can lead to a significant decrease in allergy symptoms, such as sneezing, runny nose, itchy eyes, and congestion. For asthmatics, a dust-free environment can mean fewer asthma attacks and improved respiratory function. Beyond the physical benefits, a clean and healthy home promotes better sleep. Without the constant irritation of dust mite allergens, you're more likely to enjoy restful nights and wake up feeling refreshed. This, in turn, improves mood, energy levels, and overall well-being. Section 6. Take charge of your health. Embrace a dust-free lifestyle. Living with dust mite allergies can be challenging, but it doesn't have to control your life. By implementing the practical tips outlined in this essay, you can significantly reduce dust mite populations in your home and experience the transformative benefits of a cleaner, healthier living environment. Remember, taking charge of your home environment is an investment in your health and well-being. Start small, be consistent with your efforts, and enjoy the rewards of breathing easier and living better in a dust-free home. Your respiratory system will thank you for it. If you like this video, please press like and subscribe to get new videos.